there, I am Gabriela Vieira, and today I'm going to show you something that has helped me keep my sanity and creativity while indoors during the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm talking about the macrame technique, which is used to do pieces of decor, just like this plant hanger right here. And all you need for this is a roll of cord, scissors, and a ring. We start by cutting 6 pieces of cord 1.6 meter long, which is approximately 62 inches, and we pass all of them through the ring and just adjust till they have the same length. Then we use a small piece of cord to go around to make the finishing. Now we separate these 12 pieces of cord of strings into groups of 4, which means 3 groups of 4. I'm gonna teach you now the basic knot, which is called the square knot. You basically do a figure 4 like this, take the one in the corner, do a figure 4. The one here on the left side goes to the front, then into the back, and goes up. You do the same thing to the other side, to the left now, cord to the front, into the back, and goes up. You adjust by keeping those 2 strings in the middle and snugging it. I did it 10 times here. Now I'm gonna do the same thing in the other groups of 4 strings. Going a few inches lower, we're gonna separate again into groups of 4, but by using the 2 corners of each of the 4 here. So a little lower, we're gonna start it again. I did then 2 nodes on each groups, and now it's pretty much done, and I'm gonna close it again with another piece of rope going around. Here we have the plant hanger with a little plant. I hope you liked it. Here was Gabriela Vieira for Comm255 Digital Tools and Media. Bye!